Hello guys, so we're back with another video. In this video we are going to be unboxing Candy Coat's monthly sub box. Now last month it came in like a see-through packaging, which was super cute, but this time it is in one of them bubble wrapped packages, and this is what it looks like. So yeah, we will just open it up. Ooh. And see, we'll just pull out random stuff and see what we get inside. So we have a colouring card. It's blank there. Here we go, a colouring card. Next thing I see is a nail buffer. This is $2.20. One nail buffer. Then I see a load of these. Gosh, lots of them. They're nail polish remover wipes. Don't know if they would work with gel polish, but there's a pile of them. Then I see lots of baggies, so you always get a little baggie of sweeties. So here we have what looks like a pineapple and some passion fruit in sweets. And we have some swatch sticks in pink. Then I see this brush. Is it? Yes, it's a brush, double-ended. Nice. Then here I see Super Strength. This is a little tiny bottle. It's only 5 ml. It's HEMA 3. It just says apply on nails and cure, so I'm guessing you put it on your natural nail and it helps to make them stronger. Then we have a Candy Coat paint pot. I'm wondering if the colour is the colour that is written on there, so we will open it up. Whoa! And it is super duper runny with a massive bubble. Let's just find something super random to pop this bubble because it's growing by the second. There we go. So yeah, in a brown. Ooh. Can't get the flipping lid on straight. So there's that in the brown. Then the next thing I see is this, which is in the colour Tiffany. Now I do have some greens from this brand, I'm just checking. No, I don't. There are different colour greens. Oh, this has got a cute little lid on, the other one didn't. Oh, look at that. I'm saying green, it's more like a turquoisey blue. Super duper nice. And then I'm seeing some decoration stuff. So here we got some little like triangle shaped glitters. And we have a mixed bag here of like shapes, some wings, some butterflies, things like that in there. Then the next thing I see is this Candy Coat 190. That is the only label on it. So let's open it up. Ooh. So this is gooey. So I think this is a super neon yellow. It looks like there's a tiny amount of shimmer in there, and I'm thinking this is like polygel. I think they call it cookie dough or something like that from Candy Coat, but that's what I think this is. I will have to double check that. Ooh, and then we have our gel colours. So we have 3 of them, and it looks like we have a neon green, a neon orange and a neon red. Now these are HEMA free. There's that orange, lovely. I love me neon colours. And then we have like a neon green. Yes. Beautiful. I'm kind of thinking my light is a bit too bright there. It's kind of putting a super harsh glow over everything. There we go. Let's try that. Then we have a pinky red. Super nice. So yeah, so I've got lots of swatching to do. I've got to swatch these 3, this one, and this one, and then I will be back to give you my thoughts and feelings on it. Hello, so I am back from swatching. The first 3 things I swatched were these here, which was this teal colour solid gel polish, then this beige coloured paint pot, which is it just reminds me of normal gel polish. It's just in a little pot rather than a bottle, and then this that I thought might have been polygel. Now it is very warm in my room, so I don't know if that has anything to do with the consistency, but it kind of worked more like Biab than a polygel. So I may have to research and figure out exactly what this is. So starting with this in this beautiful teal colour, it is just stunning. Then we have the beige. Very, very nice. Both of these are only 1 coat and it covered completely. Now this was this bright yellow. Here it is, absolutely stunning. I don't know if my camera is picking it up, but there are subtle bits of shimmer in there and it just looks really, really nice. So that was for sort of like the random colours that we got. And then we have our neon gel polishes we got this month, starting with the neon red. Really, really nice. I got a bit of fluff in it, that's my fault. But really, really nice. Then we have the green. And all these are also only 1 coat as well. And then we have the orange. And I really, really love these neon colours. So all the colours together, I really, really like them. I think they go really, really well. Yeah, and I'm super excited to come up with some nail designs because I could use these 5 colours and then find a way to incorporate this beige. So yeah, I'm super impressed with this month's box. It is most definitely worth your money. And yeah, I'll see you all in another video, guys. Bye.